some simple sequencing just for speed and drive, and adding my movement and his speed into the work that we've been doing on one jump. He's really been struggling a little bit with poles, so that's something we've gone back to work on separately. He's a very big dog for his age. He's 56 centimetres. He's a year old. So he has a lot of growing still to do and a lot of understanding of his body still to do. So I'm not going to punish him for the poles. I'm just going to work on that separately and then bring the speed back in, and that should correct itself that way.